What's going on, guys? It's your boy Nico Scotty, and sheesh, it's finally out, man. Professions are here, quests are here. As you can see, we got a new spot for gold. We are on beta.defikingdoms.com, and we are officially testing out the new quest. As you can see, here our guy, Professor Tangle, has released the Profession Masters, and we are ready to go, man. As you can see, we got Fisher Tom and Woodsman Arm, which is fishing and I think foraging, and we are good to go with those two quests. It costs 7 stamina, but with the main profession it only costs 5 stamina, and the profession zone change, as you saw in the beginning of the video, man, it's crazy. Oh, look at this, man. You know, you get to start quests like that, and then I guess it's calculated with the attempts and whatnot. So without me saying much more, man, let's get right into it. Let me check out Woodsman Arm. It's my foraging quest. It's full of value, but sometimes I find more valuable pants. What would you like to join me? You need to use between 1 to 6 heroes, and let's just go. So it costs 5 stamina for my ninja. I selected it. I want to continue with the 1 of 6 heroes, and let's begin the quest. I got 5 quest attempts. How does this look, man? This is crazy, bro. We've been waiting for this for the longest, and it's finally here. I don't know how to feel. I didn't even check the markets, bro. Alrighty, so there is a 2-minute cooldown period for the quest, and when it's complete, we're gonna see where it is. So give me a few seconds and I'll be back. Alright, man, so it's 3 seconds, 2 seconds. Oh man, let's see. Here we are with completing the quest, man. It's loading, it's pending, bro. Oh my god, we've been waiting for quest forever, and it's finally came on November 28th, bruh, on a nice little Sunday. Just woke up from my nap. Quest complete. What did I get? I got 102 XP. Whoa. They're giving out so much XP. I got 3 Gaia tiers. Whoa. I got Darkweed. Whoa. Like, yo, this game is lit. I got those little side items. That was pretty cool. Where I want to go right away is the tavern. Y'all already know what Nico is in this for. Let's check what Heroes is doing. It's still 39. Look how fast the price of things are rising. So now, if I go to the ninja, and it only costs 5. Let me go to my ninja forager really quickly, just to see if anything's going on. 266 is the floor right now. Like, everybody's using their ninja. I want to go ahead and list my ninja for like 1,000 Jews right now, man. I don't know. But the floor is going crazy. My priest miner is probably not going to be worth anything because mining isn't out, and who wants that, right? So I feel like I'm going to take an L on that card. You know, it's 105 for the cheapest priest miner. Like, I feel like if these floors aren't swept right here very soon, the miner floor is gonna go down. It's not even out. Everybody, as you can see, took their ninjas off the market, so that makes sense. I'm excited to see what gold is about. Bruh, look at this. This is so cool, bro. 21 tiers. I want to know what I can do with these things. This is for foraging. I know that, so I should be able to put it together. It sells for a bounty. It delivers others from darkness. This game is going to be so active, it's not even funny, man. But, hey, beta.defikingdoms. I'm putting the link in the description. If you want to get on Quest, man, just get on Quest right now. It's out, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys are excited for Quest, and thank you guys for rocking with me. None of this is financial advice, and enjoy the rest of your day.